Join me as I put this powerful 16-inch business laptop to the test. Can it handle both work and play without breaking a sweat? In today's fast-paced world, professionals and gamers alike need a laptop that can keep up with their demanding tasks. This 16-inch business laptop seems to fit the bill, but let's dive deeper to see if it's truly up to the challenge. Its versatility is definitely a major selling point, making it an interesting option for those who need a device that can handle everything from crunching numbers to crushing gaming sessions. When searching for the perfect laptop, many of us face a common dilemma: balancing performance and portability. You want a device that's powerful enough to handle demanding tasks, but also lightweight and easy to carry around. I've been there too, stuck with a laptop that's either too slow or too heavy. The ideal laptop should offer a perfect blend of power and portability, but often, we have to make sacrifices. For instance, some laptops may have impressive specs, but their bulkiness makes them a pain to carry around. Others might be sleek and portable, but their performance suffers as a result. The search for a laptop that checks all the right boxes can be frustrating. Some laptops may have great performance, but their battery life leaves much to be desired. Others might have stunning displays, but their keyboards are uncomfortable to type on. It's like finding a needle in a haystack. You know it's out there, but it takes a lot of digging to find it. What if I told you that this 16-inch business laptop might just be the solution to our problems? Let's talk about what makes this laptop special. Its 16-inch display offers stunning visuals, making it perfect for gaming and video editing. The laptop is powered by a robust processor and ample RAM, ensuring smooth performance even with multiple applications running simultaneously. Its sleek and durable design makes it easy to carry around, while its long-lasting battery means you can work or play for hours on end without needing to recharge. Additionally, the laptop features a range of ports, including USB-A, USB-C, and HDMI, making it easy to connect to external devices. So, what really sets this laptop apart from the competition? For me, it's the impressive battery life. In a world where we're always on the go, having a laptop that can keep up with our busy lifestyles is crucial. This laptop's battery life is seriously impressive, with some tests showing it can last up to 12 hours on a single charge. That means you can work, play, or stream your favorite shows without worrying about running out of juice. The laptop's advanced cooling system also ensures that it stays cool and quiet even during intense gaming sessions. In terms of design, this laptop is a real winner. Its slim profile and lightweight construction make it easy to slip into a bag or backpack, while its robust construction ensures it can withstand the rigors of daily use. The keyboard is comfortable to type on, and the touchpad is responsive and accurate. Recap: this 16-inch business laptop offers a powerful combination of performance, portability, and battery life that's hard to find in today's market. It addresses the common challenges faced by users, providing a seamless experience for both work and play. If you're like me and have struggled to find the perfect laptop, I'd love to hear about your experiences in the comments below. What features do you look for in a laptop? Share your thoughts and let's get the conversation started. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more tech reviews and insights. Gaming laptop i5, 16-inch laptop up to 3.60 GHz, business notebook computer for 16 GB RAM, 512 GB SSD, full HD 1920 by 1200 display, backlit keyboard, 180 angle opening for business work laptops, Wi-Fi 5 HDMI. Brand AVENKA. Model name UL155-TY. Screen size 16 inches. Color gray. Hard disk size 512 GB. CPU model Core i5. RAM memory installed size 16 GB. Operating system Windows 11 Pro. Special feature HD audio, 180-degree opening, backlit keyboard, numeric keypad. Graphics card description integrated. High-performance processor. This 16-inch laptop is equipped with Core i5-8210Y processor from the Core i5 series for superior performance. It delivers essential multitasking capabilities and is suitable for running multiple applications at the same time. More powerful, faster and lag-free performance compared to other traditional laptops. 16 GB RAM and 512 GB SSD laptop, 16 GB system memory for basic multitasking. 512 GB SSD reads and writes much faster than traditional hard disks. Combined with 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB SSD, you can enjoy a laptop that's responsive, multitasks well, and has a long battery life. 16-inch laptop and 180 degrees folding display. This business laptop features 16-inch 1920 by 1200 full HD IPS display that brings your content to life with enhanced clarity, whether you're browsing the web, watching videos, or editing documents for everyday use. It also supports 180 degrees screen opening and closing, so you can adjust the angle of use according to your needs. Operating system. This laptop computer also comes with dual-band Wi-Fi 5 for high-speed transfers and downloads. Bluetooth 5.0 allows easy and secure connection to other devices within range. Equipped with a 5800 mAh 7.6V lithium polymer battery for reliable and long-lasting performance. Whether you're working, studying, or having fun, this laptop has you covered. Multifunctional ports and worry-free after-sales service. One's USB 3.0, 2's USB 2.0, one's headphone jack, 1x mini HDMI, 1x Type-C, 1 XTF card, 1 XDC 3.5, 1 network cable,